Hey everybody, so I thought I'd check in, cooking dinner. We're in Oklahoma, we're having a weather situation, so I'm going to heat up some of the canned curry we did, but I'm going to make some basmati rice. So we are going to get two cups of water here, and I hope you can see because I'm using LED lanterns. This is a camp type stove. It runs off of these remember those burgers for dog food, Gaines burgers? So it runs off of these things. So it's a cube stove. So we got our water in there. Oh shit. Got our rice. I forgot a spoon. They've done some rolling power outages here. So I'm going to cover that, let it come to a boil, and then I will probably let it boil for a few minutes and take it off, and then we'll come back and do our curry. And I have some naan bread I'll do on the cast iron. So we'll be back. I hope you all are staying safe. I just wanted to do something real fast and check in with everybody. So it's really cold. I'll see you in a few. So this came up to a boil super fast, like the time it took me to walk to the kitchen and back. It was boiling. So I'm gonna give that a few minutes and then let it absorb some water and set it aside with the lid on it. Okay, I've set the rice to the side right there. We have our beef curry. Don't know if you can see that. And I'll put the link to the curry at the end of the video. I will just let that heat up. And when it has heated up, we will come back and do the naan. Stay warm, guys. It's crazy. So I figured we'd hang out for a minute. This comes to a boil super fast, you guys. This thing gets hot really fast, so you won't need a bunch of those burgers to cook your food. But I do hope this situation has made everybody realize to get things like this. Stock up on wood, water. Our pipes are frozen, so get one of those water bobs for your tub and just try and be as prepared as possible for situations. I mean, nobody would have ever thought that this would happen in Texas, Louisiana, Oklahoma, this is just not normal. Our homes aren't built for it. They're not insulated for it. The insulation requirements aren't for snow weather. The renewable energy doesn't work. The wind turbines freeze. There hasn't been sun, and the way everything glows, solar panels are covered. The sun is covered. So that hasn't been helpful at all. Coal has been one of the main things getting people through. The natural gas, I don't know what you'd call them, distribution plants or whatever. The caps are freezing, so they say. So you would never think that there would be a shortage of natural gas or electricity, but 17 states are on the same grid. So from Texas to Nebraska, we all have a bit of a situation. So that's what's happening with the power. Now Texas is on their own power grid. They have their own power supplies. And yeah, those wind turbines and stuff freezing up goes to show you that even, you know, the natural energy people want us to switch over to doesn't exactly work in extreme situations. This has definitely been a learning curve as far as extreme colds. I've never been in this kind of cold in my life. It's absolutely miserable. Doing our best. They don't want us using appliances. They don't want you washing your clothes, your dishes, taking showers. Yeah. So we've got our curry all boiling away here. I'm going to go get a spoon, a tasting spoon. Well, I have my spatula. Whoops. See how that is. That is spicy. Yeah. You could use some salt. So I'm going to get the salt.
Excuse me, precious.
So with this curry, if you wanted to add coconut milk, you could. I'm really glad I didn't add the cardamom and cinnamon and all that, because I think that would be way too strong after the canning process. You could make naan bread really easy to go with this. I have a package that I bought, so. And never underestimate what can happen. If they say weather's coming in, I know with hurricanes and everything, a lot of times people poo-poo it, but I would still be prepared just in case. There are so many people without even groceries, any food in the house or anything. So buy extra cans of soups, stews, whatever you can if you're a canner. And I'm pretty sure you've got food. In this weather, if it goes out, you can use the outdoors for refrigeration. But if it were a summer situation, you know, I would keep foods in your freezer that can be canned up, not a lot of convenience foods, because you'll definitely lose that if you can't preserve it. But and then after this, we'll have the fire back and going. It's pretty warm with this stove right here, actually. So anyways, I just thought I'd chit chat for a minute. It's pretty intolerable here, doing our best. Get in bed after you eat, bring the dogs in, they'll help keep you warm. Hopefully people have wood. And what you want to do is move your furniture closer to your fireplace. That will, and kind of make it like a playpen. Surround your fireplace with your furniture, move it in closer. And you'll be much better off as far as the heat in that area that you're staying in. So just small things can make a big difference. Your pets can help you stay warm. Moving your furniture closer to your heat source can keep you warmer. Lots of blankets. One tip to keeping warm is your feet. If you have your feet well covered and, you know, socked up, shoed up, slippered up, booted up, whatever, that will make a heck of a difference in your staying warm. Don't run around the house barefooted or with a pair of booties. So I'm gonna get the cast iron, and I might break one of those things in half, or maybe there's enough there to do the skillet. I don't know. Sorry, I whacked you. And I'm just gonna heat this naan bread in the skillet. And I think I'm gonna need another hamburger patty. I brought the scissors in here. Excuse me. And make sure your flue is open. You can't see a thing, can you? Let me see. I don't know if you can see a thing. But definitely make sure your flue is open if you're using your fireplace as a cooking area. It's just too cold to cook outside, you guys. It's below 0. It's snowing. It's windy. I have a sun oven. I have a propane powered stovetop oven. I have a grill. I have a Thai stove. I have this. So you want to make sure you have options. The Thai grill I could use, or the Thai stove I could use in here with a wok. I'm just going to heat up that bread, and then I will show you our meal when we plate it up. So do stay safe, stay warm. Food and water are also, you want to make sure you're eating and drinking. That will help you stay warm. So I'm going to finish cooking this food, and it's not exactly cooking. I just made some rice and heated up some canned stuff, but it's going to be yummy. Okay, guys, here it is. Don't know if you can see it. So there's our curry and our naan, and we're going to eat. It smells garlicky. So stay safe, stay healthy, stay warm, and I will see you all as soon as I can. Get prepped. Be prepared. You never know what's going to happen.